Right, what is 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is 5 squared, or 25. 5 squared. So, if 5 times 5 is 5 squared, what is x times x? Well, x times x is x squared. What is a times a times a? Well, that's a cubed, or a to the power of 3. What is x plus x? X plus x is 2x. You have 2 x's. Like 5 plus 5 is 2 5s. What about x plus x plus x? Well, that's 3x. Pretty simple stuff. Right, what is 3a plus 2a? 3 apples plus 2 apples is 5 apples, 5a. 3a times 2a. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, but a times a is a squared. If you're working out the area of a rectangle, you multiply the length by the width. So here, the area is 4m times 3m, which is 12. Well, m times m is m squared. Meters times meters make square meters. Now, what is a plus b? Well, you can't add different things together, so you can't simplify that. They're different. That's just a plus b. But what is a times b? Well, that can be written more simply as ab. That's just what it means. AB means a times b. It's a simpler way of writing it. In algebra, you don't need to write the times sign. Just like if you had 3 times a, you would write that as 3a. Right, have a look at these examples. What we're doing here is simplifying. So 5x times 3x, 5 3s are 15, x times x is x squared. 7s times 4t. Well, 7 times 4 is 28, s times t is st. Now the next one, 5a squared plus 3a squared. Well, we have 5 of these plus 3 of them makes 8 of those, 8a squared. When you add things together, they don't change into different things. So here we have 5 cats with funny tails plus 3 cats with funny tails would make 8 cats with funny tails. They don't turn into gorillas or something. Now, 6p plus 3q. Well, you can't add them together. You can't simplify that. Right, here's some questions for you to try. Copy the questions and work them out carefully. Okay, off you go. Right, answers. Here we go. Number 1, b plus b is 2b. A banana plus a banana makes 2 bananas. C times c is c squared. Like 5 times 5 is 5 squared. Now, number 3, 3 yaks plus 4 yaks would make 7 yaks. Number 4, 5x, take away an x, makes 4x. Notice we don't say 1x, we just say x. Number 5, 3p times 4p. Well, 3 times 4 is 12, and p times p makes p squared. Now, what about number 6? 5x cubed plus 2x squared. Well, you can't add them together. They're different things. We don't know what x is. We certainly don't know what x cubed is, or x squared, but they are different things, so we can't add them together. So that's it. Right, download the worksheet and give them a go.